Hey guys, how you doing? Mr. Short here. I just want to take a few minutes real quick to review the home screen with you guys. I didn't get a chance to go over it with you guys last week, the first week of your new class. But I want to go over this with you real quick. When you log in to my Canvas course, okay, this is what you're going to see. This is the home screen, okay? You're going to have right here this home, which is where you're at right here. Modules. If you click on modules, it'll take you to the module that we're working in. This week actually being July 11th. You can always click on syllabus if you have any questions about the syllabus. And then always you can check your grades there, okay? But let's go back to the home screen for a second. I want to talk to you about a few things on the home screen. The home screen right here, you notice that's my little bit emoji right there. If you click this little laptop computer screen, okay, you see a PP on there. That stands for Paxton Patterson. If you click that, it'll take you to your Paxton Patterson login. And we won't actually get into that until the second 9 weeks toward the end of class, but I just wanted to show you where that was at, okay? All right, if you click right here, the laptop that's in the very front of your screen, that's going to take you to a website called Codeorg. Okay, Codeorg is a website that we'll use some this year. All right, going back, again, you have syllabus written on the whiteboard. If you click that, it's going to take you to the syllabus for the class. And again, like we said last week in class, the syllabus is basically just an outline of the way the class works and the things that's going to be in the class. All right, a couple other important things. Right here, if you click on this little red poster of a Patriot right here, okay, that's going to bring you to the Kingsmount Middle School website. Okay, there's all kind of good information for you guys on there, from athletics, any announcements, anything that's going on in the school. The school's Facebook stream is going to be on here. So a lot of good information for the Kingsmount Middle School website that you can find by clicking on that red poster. All right, let's see. Down here at the bottom of the home screen is my email address. You guys should have that. I'll be sending out emails periodically throughout the class. But here is my email address. It's esshort@clevelandcountyschools.org. All right, and the last thing I want to talk about right here is, I think, probably the most important thing that I'm going to go over in this video. This corkboard right here, you see there's a Post-it note on there. It says Wednesdays, Google Meet, 1 to 2 p.m. So every Wednesday, unless for some reason I notify you that we're not having a Google Meet, we will meet from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock every Wednesday on Google Meet. All you have to do to get there is click on that little sticky note, and it will take you to the Google Meet. Like, this is my Google Meet right here. So for me, I would just click Join Now, just like so, and it takes you to the Google Meet. All right, so that's what you got to do for that. All right, I'm going to get out of that Google Meet. All right, and come back here to the home screen. All right, so those are the things I wanted to go over, just to go over the home screen, let you guys know where things were at. Things are easy to find, and tell you about our Wednesday Google Meet. All right, all you have to do is click on that Post-it note to go there. All right, if you have any assignments that are due, it'll be over here on the right-hand side of your home screen under To Do. If you look over here now, these are the things that you would do this week. You got 1 and 2, 2 journal entries. You have a problem-solving quiz and a plan a trip assignment. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing this week. All right, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me, give me a call, and I will be happy to help you. All right, I look forward to this week, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.